morning once again and a very warm welcome to everyone. I am Lizelle and I'll be guiding you today as we navigate digital transformation for HR.
Business is really more driving IT than if you go back just a few years back where IT was a big part of the organization and they would drive their own agenda and then everybody will fall in line with that. What we have done is that we have put HR and IT under the same executive. So when you have that alignment, it gives you a more dynamic interaction. So digital transformation is a part of the whole company, and in HR it's specifically important.
Engagement in the workplace is so important in today's context with the new workforce. The millennial workforce and under 15 who will join in another 10 years down the line. With these people joining the workplace, you need to have tools and technology to improve the engagement within your culture.
Now we go to the concept of digital transformation. What is this terminology really? The best definition I can give you is this. It is not about technology. It is about building capabilities, accelerating that capability and change in business models and take advantage of the technologies.
This digital transformation, what we are talking about, is not about winning or having a position, what you see, number 1, 2 or 3, but being able to create a strategy that drive the very strong fundamentals of your organization.
Well, I find it very modern and up to date with the current trend that we have right now in HR. It's very helpful that they gave us those kinds of inputs because back in the office, we really need that.
Thanks to Tech One for this, for putting up with this event and for showing us and giving us new things to learn.
There's a key role from HR. So the key role of pushing digital transformation, HR must be the one to push it.